This phone was brought to us, and as you can see, we tried to turn it on. It's not turning on. So let's see after we fix it. So here's the solution. You can see. So the problem was that there's a particular part of the phone that was shorted. Try to turn it on, it went on. So let's see. This is up there. We fixed it. You can see it's not turning on. It's working perfectly now. So I will show you that part of it that we actually worked on. So any phone that is not turning on, you can bring it over to us. We're gonna fix them. There is 70% chances that they are gonna work. So thank you so very much for watching. Welcome once again to Ultimate ICT Hub. So you can see it's turned on already. It's turned already. So it's working now. So I'm going to show you. You can see that part that I'm about to show you now. That is where the problem is. That's the display section.